Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So nothing's more basically bad or like you feel like you are useless than looking at Perplexity AI crashing mid-response. All of your data of the information you entered are totally gone. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to fix the keeps crashing issue in Perplexity AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, it's probably basically an outdated app. So make sure your app is fully outdated. I mean updated, since it's basically outdated. All you're gonna do is go through Google Play Store if you are on Android. Look for Perplexity AI, tap update if available. If you are on iOS, it's totally fine. Just go through App Store, look for the profile icon, find Perplexity AI and tap update. On desktop, if you are using the web version, just go ahead and update your browser. It's totally alright. If you are also on Android, you can easily clear the app cache. You're gonna ask me how. Just come here, look for the app. For example, this is the app. We're gonna go through info here. Then we're gonna go all the way, look for storage, and you can easily clear the cache from here, or even clear the data if it's a huge problem. And that's it. But if you are on iOS, you can try to upload the app or just reinstall it from scratch and install the AI app, restart your device, then reinstall it from Google Play or App Store. Also check for VPN or firewall interference. To fix it, just temporarily disable your VPN, then check if your firewall is blocking Perplexity. If crashes stop, add it to your whitelist. Maybe it's probably an outdated OS as well, so try updating your operating system. And that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.